Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you a few ways how you can make money with Rev.com. The first thing that I'm going to share with you is what are the main advantages and disadvantages when you would use Rev.com for converting audio and video to the text. That's the first thing I'm going to share, and then we are going to focus on how much money you can make, application process, etc. Now, advantages. You can work from home. You're gonna wake up at, I don't know, 8 a.m. and like, okay, I'm going to transcribe something. I'm going to convert some audio and video to the text. You can do it in your pajamas. You can also choose how much time you're gonna spend on a project. What do I mean? Is that let's say that I would work 70 hours a week in 1 week, and then the second week I would be just like spending no time at all. Like I will be just chilling whole week. So that's something you can definitely do, and that's something really valuable that you can, let's say that next 2 weeks I'm going to chill, I'm going to the hills and just walk in the nature, and then other 2 weeks I'll be working really hard. So that's something you can focus on, and that's something you can do. Now the third advantage is that you're gonna learn a lot of new things. If you're gonna choose Rev.com, they got like really good projects, and let's say that there is going to be an interview with someone really interesting about religions or like philosophies. You're gonna convert the video, like the audio, to the text, and while you're like converting it, you can learn a lot of things. So that's something you can definitely do, and it's a good way how you can make money, and I would recommend going that way, only because not only that you can choose that you're gonna get paid for it, you're gonna learn new things. Now, what are some disadvantages? Now, here's the thing. The compensation many times is not that high. Yes, it's like all right, but when you come here to the compensation is from 0.30 to 1.10, but there is not research behind it. Okay, let's say that I would use Clockify or something, that how much time I actually spend on the project, that I need to actually understand what they're saying about. Let's say that I would be converting the audio to the text of some from hospital. Like I wouldn't understand those words, so I would have to research those, and you're not getting paid for it. You're gonna pay only for the length of the audio minutes. So if there is going to be a really hardcore project with a bad sound quality, you would spend much more time on it, but you would get same paid as a project about, I don't know, when someone will be sharing his thoughts on relationships, which are really pretty easy to write text of, right? So that's something really important. It's in the English language, that's another thing. Maybe you want to have like different languages, but it is what it is. The third thing is that if you want to use it, there is kind of like too much competition, only because like in one video there's like Hunger Games. What is happening is that if you would use it, the good projects are gone in minutes, like not even minutes, seconds. The people are always refreshing it, and when there's going to be a new good project, it's going to be gone. So that's something really important to know, is that when you're gonna be here, it's gonna be tough for the good projects, because like yes, those bad projects with the bad sound quality, let's say they will be in Nepal or Thailand recording while the wind is going out in here, and you just can't even hear what they are speaking about, those interviews or something in the video. It's going to be hard, and not a lot of people are going to choose it, only because to do it you're gonna have to invest more time. So my recommendation is definitely you need to wait for those good ones. Now, as I mentioned, you can make good money from 0.40 to 1 to 10, 0.54 to 1 to $10. It's all right. It's like when you can make like 50, 100 bucks a week as a side income, side cash while at home, it's a good money, right? But my recommendation is definitely don't only use Rev.com. You see, Transcribe Me, Scribe. So definitely use other tools, right? So that's something you can definitely do too. So I can come here, Scribie jobs. Transcribers. And that's something you can definitely do. And this is how you can make money. Now, another way how you can make money is that what you can do is to create actually YouTube content, YouTube videos about teaching people who wants to transcribe podcasts, who wants to transcribe things, and you can teach those people how to actually do it. So that's another way what you can do and how you can make money. And what I would recommend for you to do is you can come and just like teach other people who are starting with Scribie, who are starting with TranscribeMe, and also Rev.com, that you would teach those people how to do it better, how to do it more effectively. And what you can even do is, like, this is a crazy thing, is to sell courses on it. So what I would do is that not only that I would do it myself, I would just teach it people, the beginners, how they can do it. Now, this is a good way how we can make money. And if you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to go that way, that you would like to learn and earn money from YouTube, there is a link down below in the description for my mini course, which can help you get on a track to understand how the YouTube works and what you can learn to master it. But to summarize this whole video, Rev.com is a good website that you can make money with. Don't just use Rev.com, use also TranscribeMe and Scribie. That's what I would recommend to do. There are some advantages. It's only in English. You get USD. You can work from home. You can also choose how much time you want to actually spend on creating videos. Not creating videos, but transcribing things. Also, the disadvantages, as I mentioned, low compensation, not that high. You can make money, but if there is a hardcore project you need to research, you're going to get paid only about the minutes. How much time you're gonna invest into like for the minute of the video. It doesn't matter how much time you're gonna spend on researching and transcribing. Minute is a minute. Then length of the project and too much competition. So like the good projects are gone and there are going to be plenty of bad projects. So you need to focus on to finding the good ones and being faster than everyone else. The second way how you can make money is that you would actually create YouTube videos about Rev.com and also TranscribeMe and Scribie. So these are the ways how you can make money. And I'm creating for a really long time YouTube videos, and I think I can help you with like developing a good method how we can make money. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Any questions, ask down below in the description. I'm happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support what you can actually do and how you can make money. And yeah, have a great day guys, and goodbye. See ya.